Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending the time and who you dey. We go download this audio. This na Ayonje, the voice of the commoner and the voice of the vulnerable, with the program analysis on current issues. As today,
Unayeri,
the 8th March 2025, we get Young Proverb Nayasu today. We say, those who think others are fool are careless in thinking, because they are fools themselves. Again, those who think others are fool are careless in thinking, because they are fool themselves. Then one the way they see them, they think what other people they say, they are them fool. You know, they're so careless where they can think for make them go get them kind of thoughts than they. Because themself na them fool. Yeah? Themself na them fool. This na a case of the one the way get at themselves, they say then agenda 2028 them.
this one
We
that
then get the
big
even chief
problem.
priest. We na EBK and then get the couples them, in getting couple them as Tim Nemankin put up. In get the couple them. You understand? When are the cherry cocoa, yes, you get the Minkailu Masare, you get, you know, the CDI Tunis, the Lansana Dumbuya. You understand? Till I get to topic for the Liberaton. The first one, yeah, what is party structure? The structure in the
So I don't
APC
know you
party.
alone.
Dr. Samuel Kamara or the national executives who do not follow structure. Then I will topic number one for talk on today. With topic number two, the fools and hypocrites agenda 2028 in brackets, and the APC major things that are minor and intentionally minor those things that are major. The falcon cannot hear the falconal. The central cannot hold mere anarchy loose upon the world. A quotation we
When I
get
listen
them
well,
from Chinua Achebe in a book When Our Things Fall Apart. Yeah. For we on topic number one today. In the first place, waiting a structure. As we all term they put a structure. You know they follow structure. Dr. Samuel Kamara they follow structure. The man just sit down by himself. He just sit down, you know, waiting at this structure, waiting at structure. Waiting at structure. Well, when we talk about structure, we mean hierarchy. We mean the order, either from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom. Na the structure. You understand? Like for
so I
example,
don't listen.
in a house in construction, when you look at the structures, you get the foundation, you get the wall, you get the roof. Not so? So fine. When you look at, if you dey take am from the bottom top, from the foundation, if you dey take am from the top bottom, then you get wetin? You get the roof, you get the wall and the foundation. Now, we talk about hierarchy. Wetin na this hierarchy na the party? Well, hierarchy in the party, the topmost man na the presidential candidate wey the entire wey na him na the head. Na him na the head. You understand? The presidential candidate. Na him na the head, the overall boss of the party, the one wey the responsibility incumbent upon am for make sure say im direct the party the way through. Na im dey give the party the road map to success. And wetin na the success? Winning election, because dat na the major aim of forming political party. You understand? For hold the party wey dey rule or the party in governance accountable and prepare themselves for take governance, because that is what the political party is being formed for. Now, wetin na the
So I
structure?
don't
Like
know
I
you
start for
online.
say, the presidential candidates, like the current standing na the APC, we get the presidential candidates, we get the leadership, then we get the chairmanship, we get the secretary general, and the rest of it, or the rest of them. These are wetin we dey call structures. We get the NAC members, we get the regional, we get the district executive, the constituency executive, the ward or zonal executive. So dis na the structure na the party. You understand? Now una make we lis ten by wetin na dis structure. We say Dr. Samuel Kamara or the APC executive, dem one dem wey sell out, na who dat no dey follow the structure na the party. When we talk about structure, well, we all see who side the party executive dem calm, dem say dem young candidates wey say e win election and wey dem
This one a
earlier
big,
on
big problem.
attest to, wey dem bring evidences of dem winning the election, dem say dem dey left am, den dem no dey talk about electoral justice, and dem no dey follow wetin the man dey dictate or dey spell out as to how wey the responsibility per constitution of the party, e give am the mandate for direct the party, and wey na im the party for follow. Na im na the fountain of honour na the party, na im the party for follow, na im dey provide the road map, na im dey provide the way through, is the way, the light to power. You understand? And na im dem for follow. Now dem say dem no dey follow dis man, and dat dem expect dis man na dem im for follow. The man for can't follow dem pan the big fool, and dat the man thinking or knowing say na im dem for follow, no, e take am say dem dey na the wrong side, and wey e very correct say na dem dey na the wrong side. So if we say somebody for follow structure, I so believe say the one first at the top, wey na the presidential candidacy, wey na the topmost position at the party, na dat person dey dem for follow. So but we see the act of very few organized criminals or thugs dem na the party, wey call themselves say party executive at national level. Mostly dem say dem gang up together, dem say dem na agenda 2028 dem dey for. Dem dey follow somebody wey not a member of zonal executive, not a member of the constituency, not a member of the district executive, not a member of regional executive, and not a member of NAC, and not a member of national executive, wey happen for be harnessed by Kuruma. In Sidom, dem say na im dem for follow, and dat Dr. Samuel Kamara, knowing truly say na im dem for follow, and dem no go follow somebody wey even not a member of all of dem structures there, so wey I call, now dem no follow the man. So who dat get right na who
Official
dat no get right na.
SLTV channel.
I wan for invite some of we own company, we brothers, we sisters dem, grassroots dem. Na one part of dis country wey so prominent in terms of APC dominance, yeah. But before we dey go into dem people for make dem sef dem can help we for know wetin na structure and who dat dem for follow, I want for make people dem put dem face down, yeah. You see sometimes you no dey see somebody the progress, you set your face up. Put your face down. Walk towards your own destiny. Walk towards wetin they want you for follow. Like we all dey pronounce or we all dey spell out, we all dey talk am loud, structure, structure, structure na the party So make dem follow this man. But e get for start with dem one wey dey jealous, wey so hypocrite enough. As dem see somebody dey try for succeed so dem put dem face up. No, dem need for put dem face down. Yoke 7 wey you say, tell dem make dem put dem face down.
Yeah, man. It's your boy right here. Yo, 7, yo, the Don. Justice units. Forever, my niggas. You and the Mac Millie. Mac Millie, the new sign. Squad. Forever. If you are the one who kill, or you want them to stick up. Some silent, big stuff. Let's go forward, enjoy the flow. We then have fun, trust like a music on the phone. Put your best up. Put your best up. You ain't ever call. Put your best up. Put your best up. Put your best up. Get up, the gun to the road. Put your best up. The tone don't come. The tone don't slow. The tone on the man that they make you show down.
Put your face down. Left for Moko, land for the battle, something wey fine. No battle something wey bad o. Go sit down
This
pin.
one
You watch election wey dem know when
na
he say
big,
e dey
big
jump am,
problem.
e dey skip am for 2028. Like say power dey na silver spoon, e dey na you feeding bottle. Dem just dey take am, dem can't give you. Like how your mama been dey breastfeed you or wey dey bottle feed you. Yeah. So I no able understand this. Now I say I go invite we brother them, and then one day also they happen for be na one prominent part wey na put lock up for make the help for tell Weber wetin na this structure and who that them for follow and why them for follow this man also, because we all know say we want for go before, and that going before the right thing na in them for do for make una go before. Because if una not do the right thing, no matter what una try for do, una not go able. The right thing must be done for make una go before. Yeah. So people them for understand say this person also na in the right person for follow, and this person not in the right person again for follow. Now more listen ba. This now we brothers and sisters grassroots them na put local. Come on. Yeah. Julius Olanaya. Wetin are the structure? Na Payansane na dem vote for as presidential candidate? No. Na Ernest dem vote for? No, not to Ernest dem vote for. So any attempt for you moving wetin Ernest dey direct now na anti-party activity. You understand? Because not to Ernest dem vote for. It's not part and parcel of any of the structures of the party. Just imagine. So following him na anti-party activity. You therefore follow the right person wey you for follow, then you dey go follow other somebody. You understand? You see that one there are not just stable understand. Wey dem don say party structure. Then left the structure, the right structure for follow, wey na Dr. Samuel Kamara, then they go follow somebody wey no dey protect in your legacy, wey don work immensely. He don suffer a lot. You understand? He been laying life for that time wey in dey na power, na him na the face, na him dem dey see and want that good name dey laying life. And when it reaches another one turn, they say na regime change. International community, they say regime change. We've never seen such a word in any of the dictionary of democracy. Do you understand? We never see am there. You know, in any democratic constitution all over the world. And let's introduce them. Now we on system na salon. We accept them. We been think say in do am for the general good of the people, not knowing say it gets a satanic hidden agenda. You get it? And this is just very bad. And when people and they say that thing, they say we not for the talk we for the man because we know they expect young people them. Of course, if the charity they say begin at home, you expect the best person for respect you now yourself. And how you dey know say this na him for do and this na him not for do. If for no force you status say na this status na in attain as of present, and that if I want for maintain them, na this I for do, na this I for avoid, I not for do am. I for maintain this way. Then you know they do am, you they do other thing, and you want the next person for come and just respect. You know, we know they disrespect them, but waiting in the way we know say it very wrong. Nobody know for do am. Nobody know they na this world here, so we no one for go before. The only person know we no one for go before now somebody we reckless, somebody we useless, somebody we be say he not get nothing, he not stand for nothing. You know what I made them tell and thank you. Somebody we know better. You understand? But any person we want for make them tell and thank you, you go want for go before. And if you want for go before, any somebody will stand your way, you just for find way for crush them. So seeing and standing way of progress, we go left with no option before they come out to know they cause some of we. The truth is what we get for say, and we get for tell them una think say na religion and it's by Kuroma na God for una will continue for worship am. You understand? Until we don't dump una, that time they una self una able understand like how you don't dump other people now. Presently, as I talk, very many politicians within that executive, you don't dump them. They don't feel, they don't know. Say yes, they mean they are the wrong side of the book. They mean they are the wrong history. You know, this. I just want to stop now with this topic. I want to draw my topic 2 for today. We say the fools and hypocrites agenda 2028. And the APC, the major thinks them when are minor, and then the left for major, then thinks them way they supposed for major. Thinks them way big, or thinks the way they supposed for the say first or for stand for first, na him the one for stand for later, and decide for come for something will be say, you know, possible for make they stand for at this very present. But una go listen to one we trade, okay, man not just say trade, one we former deputy publicity secretary wey happen for be Pope, yeah, una listen wetin get for say. The thing wey dem for don first na like dem dey put the cart before the horse. Instead of the horse being before the cart, now dem dey put the cart before the horse, and I no feel say e correct. You understand? Listen.
Probably the people they don't tire with propaganda. They are also fed up with the lies, and they are getting used to your style of intimidation strategy. You now go silence some of the voices, but you not go silence all of the voices. It's not possible.
Like how una the agenda 2028, una want for silence people, una no want make people we dey talk, so una no want for make we talk. Una just feel say that time una come on, una come and say Dr. Samuel Akama don't sell out. We all for don't just buy the idea and move on. Like how una say for move on. So if they talk this na true, then go silence voice, they're not going to silence all. But this not to in at the major thing, yeah. More we just move on. Una more listen, yeah.
Like, let me treat it with seriousness, because this is like basic assets for the people. And then here we refer to as the human capital development we una present, but now una self they undermine. So because without light, no human capital development.
Wait, the question I want to ask, now today Pope Camara no say SLPP they know about light business. Now today Pope Camara no. I don't feel say that today no. He don't know since when John was a boy. He don't know. Now all them problem they are so since when then guy they are so then come in 2018 April. We get light problem. Till they come into election and people decide to say them for vote against them. Pope Camara, what you say? You know say you don't endorse it, then for move on. So why the cry now? Who's thing when necessary and this you box up? Because I just wrote to that me the arena ya. Now I say the guy and the major waiting them for minor and the minor waiting them for major. Now look, all this light issue for don't be a thing of the past, getting Madabio off the seat of throne. Not to so it be. When we get this man off the seat of throne with Dr. Samuel Akama by the special grace of God, the lights get for be a thing of the past. I no go tell una say it go be settled 100%. But we all know some of we know waiting at Dr. Samuel Akama, or we know that at Dr. Samuel Akama. In capacity, in expertise, the man is developmentally oriented. Now him being the coach, most of the head of state them, starting from the Strasser, the Madabio Junta, the Pakaba, the Anes Baikroma, Tika, okay, Manos again, this government. You see, when he skip this Madabio government, una see how he rotten, una see how everything box up, And if we get this man, like how we all been offered for him, so we all don't vote, we stand. Some of who go as party agents them. We stand, we make sure say where we go. They're not thief day. They're not thief ballot paper day. They're not rogue the way than the counts. You understand? And that the voice of the people them we vote in that particular polling center and polling station then they voice then they hear them. And when we don't count done, the APC don't win at the side and they waiting Pope Camara and in Chief Prince today they say we for move on to 2028. If una don't agree for move on, then what you think say right now you go can't talk when something the SLPP then go do? They know they do am. Because now like you don't put the cart before the horse. You get me? What if you don't do first, you left am. When I for take the man off this power through the democratic means way una people them we be not ensure at the ballot box. They una say una they let him go, una they wait 2028. there is power in
Sereduna,
the silver
listen
spoon waiting for una.
and share.
Una dey dream. Yeah, una dey dream. I get small package for una, or I get small leakage for una. Yeah, the SLPP they no start am to themselves. Wey dem done, then they roll out that same thing dey to una. Una wait. Una no know nothing. Yeah, una just wait small. If to themselves, then dey vex. To themselves, then dey destroy then your own property dem. Then dey destroy then your own lives dem. Then dey destroy dem pikin dem, dem friends dem. How about una wey na opponent dem, wey na opposition party? Una dey dream oo, una continue for dream. Yeah, una more lis ten one other destruction wey happen. Na den your lower election wey lead also. Na dis na bound to happen oo.
The other residents of the supporter of Khadija, yes, wey in this are number 2. This na the town speaker, Mr. Masako.
Sound speaker, Mama Masako.
See, the can't make this in Libya. You don't go inside bush right now. Right now, you don't bush. So as you are see,
Dey na bush.
now number 2.
Wetin dey do na bush? Because the man dey don take over. Na im life now dem dey run after. Dis na SLPP to SLPP, na lis ten good one. Wey dem don dey rule out come on by God your own power. Electoral justice fight. If you see, I very sorry. Na for don see video. Perhaps share am with una. See am. Una we must see am. So una left, una follow the structure, una follow the right thing. When somebody dey succeed, not say because not to you, you how you call am, you begin twist your face. You no wan battle the person. But wait tomorrow, e happen say na you. So you no wan back make people dem follow you, make people dem battle you, make people dem help you. You say the man not to your uncle, the man not to your daddy. Tomorrow, if you bring your uncle, he bring you daddy. How you want for then people and they together wey not support them your daddy, you not support them your uncle. How you want for make them go support your own uncle? Una left by that. APC, una left by that. Una left. And make somebody watch una ping. He saw the una ping and say una on progressive. I don't know if some man they just sabi study. They are real psychologists them, human psychologists them. Then they watch people and pin and say they were on progressive.
At some point in time, you do consider the main opposition as some progressive. Do you still hold that view on the opposition? APC is not ready to lead this country today. It's not ready to lead this country tomorrow. It's not ready to lead this country in I don't know when. The leaders in APC are unprogressive, and I can say this without a doubt. And that's why I say they are not progressive. They are not good for this country today, as President Bill said. They are not good for this country tomorrow, and we'll keep working every day to make sure that we keep them from the from State House because they don't know the economy.
You see, so una way they talk 2028. Then guy there, they're not sober. Then say 2028. But that pack pandem. But that make even then you man, they're not able to battle the man, the company. They're not able to then say, then they wait 2028. Imagine people win election and say then they wait other one. Then say then are God. So 2028 now then they win back. Just imagine. How you think how you think power go come with them kind act the yasu? If Samuel Akama no win this, una mean say una go get her, una no dey get her more. Una land for put una face dem door. Me na that day no more. Yeah? I'll go left una with preacher. Put your face down. Yeah?
Yeah, man. It's your boy right here. Yo, seven, you're the dawn. Justice units. Forever, my nigga. You and the Mac Millie. Mac Millie, the new sign. Squad. Forever. If you are the one for kill, or you want to end some silent, stop. Never go forward and try to flow. We then have control, so I don't see what you fall. Put your best up. You ain't never go. Put your best up. Can't go to country, the road. Put your best up. The tone don't come, the tone don't slam. The tone on the man, where they make you show around. Run and boss on the microphone. Lost for most, that's the one, the nigga they on top. And most people, yeah, before they wish was sitting down, over there on the wall. The one who put the man down, was a fist strong. The tone on the side, rock a katsoa. Put up in the back, only man I know. This is small boys, so take them top. The more you the end, the more you'll send up to soul. Come with your best go, so we can just go and put something forward and make them the press go. Who's the best go? Who's the hottest? I'm in the front, you now, don't ready for harvest. So don't be push on the music go before. Left with the ball, who took it to the road far. What you want to end? Who's the stop? Some silent, stop. Never go forward and try to flow. We then have control, so don't music go before. Put your best up. You ain't never go. Put your best up. Can't go to country, the road. Put your best up. This not the team, we beat for the sound. We all the rap side, the pillars of Islam. Put your best up, which is your
Put your face down. put put your face down. Yeah? Una left for Moko. Una brother man. Dr. Samuel Akama na fine gentleman. Notice somebody will get any personal vendetta as against person. You no get am. The guy no get, they keep grudges. The guy na just kind straightforward somebody. Why una think say una not for support this man? I left Fanaya. The same guy at the same place. Iron J. The voice of the commoner, the voice of the vulnerable.